English, Tagalog, Tagalog-English translation. Pwede mamaya. Can it be later? Baka sakali. Just in case. Mukhang mahirap. It looks difficult. Tuloy pa ba tayo? Are we still going? Hindi ko inaasahan. I didn't expect that. Wala akong pagpilian. I have no choice. Hindi ko maalala. I can't remember. Hindi ko kasalanan. It's not my fault. Mukhang seryoso. It looks serious. Hindi ko kaya ngayon. I can't handle it right now. Mukhang delikado. It looks dangerous. English, Tagalog, Tagalog-English translation.